Hi guys, good morning. I am reviewing our assignment 3, selective reading and adaptation. This will also bring in natural selection. I added that in because some people were still confused about it. So moving on with our day, our do now, essential question, assignment 3, task 1 video, our notes, as well as moving on to task 2. The do now is why is the discovery of the wonder chicken so extraordinary to scientists? A link for an article is already embedded, so read that article to respond. Yes, you do need to add evidence to that. Essential question, how was natural selection or has natural selection shaped the development of the theory of evolution? Well, we discussed natural selection last time. We'll discuss it more in depth this time just because of the review, and it will help you out when we talk about evolution. So for assignment 3, you're going to watch this video, and I'm going to play a little bit of it here. So it's funny watching a video of a video. Okay? Make sure you can turn the closed captions on, and I would recommend that. So watch this video, not too long, it's about 2 minutes, then we're going to move on. We are using that video to respond to these questions. Okay, I'm going to get out of here to show you really quickly for assignment 3. So there's a few questions on here. Fill in the blank, respond, fill in the blank, respond, respond. Okay. The other item, I'm going to go back to our thing and I'm going to present it. After you do that, you move on to task 2. Task 2 is really fun. Okay, so it's not too long, but it's really fun. You might need to get used to it. So I'm going to embed this also on our agenda, as you can see, and it's here in our notes. So you're going to click on this, and you're going to play a game. It says it's blocked, but if it's blocked, you can just like manage it and like allow it or something of that sort. Like I don't want to block my site. Let me see if I can just like refresh it. Sorry guys. If it doesn't work, then I'll figure something else out for you. Go back here. Pepper moths. This is fun. Pepper moths are fun. Maybe you can just like go. I don't want to hide this plugin. I want to run it. Sorry, let me pause this really fast. I can't pause it because it's blocked, but I don't want it to be blocked. So here, we're troubleshooting here. Click. Okay, so if it happens to you, do in the left website, click lock or info, site settings, flash, go back. Allow sites to run flash, more, let me see, more, settings, link. Maybe I can add this on because you should be able to do it. I've done it before. I did it at home. Allow. That's what you have to do. You just click on it and press allow. There you go. All right, so I'm glad we did this together. And then for the first assignment that you do for the pepper moth, it'll just be like, I just want you to get used to it. And like all you have to do is read. So click on this, read information about the moths. And after 5 minutes, record the percent of moths and light moths. You will need this information later. So you're going to watch this out. This is what you're reading, you're relaying that information here just so you know, and then you're going to go ahead and click on it. Here I was like really specific with you, click on this, and I circled it for you. The other ones, click on this, click on that. Okay, so that's like very useful for you. All right. Life cycle of a moth. This stuff is fun. So all you're doing is like reading right now. This is what you're clicking on Dr. Kettlewell's lesson. I went ahead and just like wrote all of this down here for you here. I wrote it all down for you right there. So you don't really have to look at it, but you can respond to it and you can go on here just to help you out. Okay. So that's what you're doing. So for example, you go back. If we were to go back, where's the pepper moss here? Click on this. We go to Dr. Kettlewell's tests and click on that. Okay. Then you just read along. It's quite fun. All right, guys. Thanks for everything. And I will update you. That's all you need to do for today.